Jai Gurudev students. Today I will discuss about the blood clotting mechanism, that is coagulation, and structure of the heart and circulation and structure of the heart. Okay, so regarding the definition of blood coagulation or clotting, it is a property of the blood to change from fluid to the gel state when that is blood come in contact with the air. And generally in the normal cases the blood that is fully coagulation take place within 3 to 6 minutes. That is natural process. Now regarding the mechanism of blood clotting, so there is 3 steps by means of which we can describe that how the coagulation takes place. First one is formation of prothrombin activator. Second step is conversion of prothrombin to thrombin, and third stage conversion of fibrinogen to fibrin and formation of blood clot. So these are the mainly 3 steps for the coagulation of blood. Now for the coagulation of the blood, 13 coagulation factors are involved. Okay, so these are the 13 that is factor. First one is fibrinogen, which is synthesized in liver, and this one is also synthesized by liver, that is prothrombin. And then thrombokinase, so blood platelets, it is present in the blood platelets at injury. Then calcium ions, which is very important for the coagulation of blood. Then labile factor, which is a cofactor. So like this way there is a 13 different factors are there, and generally these are protein, and mainly maximum of it is synthesized by the liver. Some enzymes are there, so these are important. So it is numbered as a 1, 2, 3, 4 like 13. So first step, that is formation of the prothrombin activators. So it is also divided into 2, that is part. One is extrinsic mechanism, another one is intrinsic mechanism. Now here I have written here, that is 7, 10, here 10, then 5. These are the enzymes, already enzymes and the cofactor and secretion from the liver, and 13 coagulation factor. These are the 13 coagulation factor. This one is 7th one, 10th one, 5th one. Okay. 5th one is labile factor. Then number 10, that is one enzyme. Okay, power factor, that one is. Then in case of the 7, stable factor or pro-conversion, it is a type of the protein. So tissue thrombokinase, when it injured tissue, it produces tissue thrombokinase. So these are the 2 factor, and when it forms, then calcium, the presence of calcium. Then number 10, that is power factor. Number 7, it helps to form a activated number 10, and which is a power factor, is a enzyme in liver, and ultimately it produces the prothrombin activator. This one is a process of extrinsic mechanism. Now in case of the intrinsic mechanism, now here again 5 steps are there, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, here also number 12, number 11, this one is also number 11, then number 9, that is activated number 9, number 8, number 10, then 3. So these are again that cofactors, the formation of prothrombin. That one is the first step for the mechanism of blood clotting or coagulation. So these are the two factors, extrinsic and intrinsic. Now conversion of prothrombin into thrombin. So that one is the second step. Prothrombin to thrombin with a calcium ion and prothrombin activator, that one is synthesized either in extrinsic or the intrinsic. So second step. Then third step, conversion of fibrinogen into fibrin. This fibrinogen is a soluble one. Prothrombin, already it is formed, prothrombin in the second step. Now it forms the fibrin thread, of fibrin monomers to fibrin thread. This fibrin thread is a thread-like structure. Just see the diagram. Whether it is clear to you or not, I don't know. So it is formed a network-like structure. Okay, formation of the fibrin thread is very rapid. So a thread is formed and a network is formed, and due to this network, blood clotting takes place. Now this part is a revision work from class 10. So it is just a revision, that is structure of the heart. So this one is external structure, then internal structure of the heart. So all of you know what are the different parts. So these are the atrium, then ventricle, tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve. Okay. Then pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, and vena cava. So blood from the different parts of our body which carry the deoxygenated blood, through vena cava, it enters into the auricle, and from auricle to ventricle through the tricuspid valve. Then it moves to the lungs, then from lungs become oxygenated, and again it enter into the atrium, and through the bicuspid valve it enters into the ventricle, and from ventricle through aorta it moves to the different parts of our body. Okay, so this structure, both the external structure and internal structure of the heart, is very, very important for all of you. So students, I will give you that is note of the human heart, the external structure and internal structure also. If any doubt, you have any doubt, then again we can discuss the structure of the heart. So you have to go through the note and you write it properly and draw the diagram properly.